Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this dog filter on Instagram. So to use this filter you need to use your rear camera. So let me turn the camera. Okay, and here is the dog. Tap on the screen to get the dog. Use zoom in, zoom out gesture to increase the size. Okay, so to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Alex is the creator of this filter. Check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter dog. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. Okay, there you go. You got the dog. Tap on the screen to get the dog. Yes. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this dog filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.